Hi guys, this is Roblepk again. I'd also like to add on like a side note that I did get a scale in the mail. Here, I'll just show it to you. I have my lathe in front of me, yes. It's the same lathe that I showed you before. It's a WeighMax, like that. So I'm going to start, now that I have that, I'm planning on actually selling Yu-Gi-Oh cards by the bulk. So I'm gonna do that on eBay. If you want to, you can see. This is a digital postal scale. I've been waiting for this. Yeah. I'm gonna open this. Opening. I'm opening a WeighMax scale. Got 2 batteries. So apparently it uses batteries, I guess. It's also got a plug-in cord. And it's got one of these. It's got a USB with a little adapter on the end. Okay. I got a cardboard piece. Making progress. And if I can figure this out, that is a beauty. Holy moly. Oh, okay. The thing that says precision scales on it, right here. It's a limited 10-year warranty, so within 10 years, if this thing breaks, I guess I got a limited 10-year warranty. This is an instruction booklet, which the front shows how to put it together, and then the rest, I don't know what it shows, but I will read that later. And this right here is the digital scale. I'm not sure. Let's see here. I'll put it together. I gotta call somebody after this. I gotta try to make this quick. I gotta try to get this open. Ah! Okay. Okay, so I got that. And I got this. So that's plug-in cord to this. And I'll see what happens when I plug this in. Sorry guys. Okay. Moment of truth. Okay. So let's see here. It turns on, see? Okay. My hand weighs an increasing 6 point something pounds. I'm going to force on it. It's not 19. Oh, that's not. Okay, so tear would be. So tear returns it back to 0. So 0 pounds, 0.0 ounces. Okay, if we hold it here, apparently. I guess you can't turn it. Okay. So it's got to be on a flat surface, guys. It's very accurate. So it's got to be on a flat surface, but that's basically what I'm going to use for my Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I'm selling them in bulk weights of 200. And I will include an extra 10 in the package. So if you get 210, don't be alarmed. That's meant to happen. So I'm selling that in the package, and I plan on selling them for 20 bucks a piece because they're 10 cents a card. But if you guys want some sort of custom, I go down to about 5 bucks, which would be 50 cards. I can't go any more down than that because that will be the overall price. I want to keep it, you know, so that I don't include any shipping beyond that, so that the shipping's paid for within the other price, so everything's paid for all in one kind of thing. So that's why I'm doing that. So that's why I say that it can't go past a minimum of $5. Well, actually a maximum of $5. The maximum on the higher end scale custom, you can have as many cards as you want as long as I have them in my inventory. I do have a limited inventory, but there's probably a couple thousand in there. So you should be okay to pick just about any number, because if you're picking 1,000, it's 100 bucks. So if you're picking 2,000, it's 200 bucks. So you get it. As you raise the price, or as you raise the amount, the price gets risen. It's just 10 cents a card. So just think about that. I will be selling them on eBay, and I plan to start doing that hopefully within the next few days. So check on that. I will catch all you dudes and dudettes on the flip side. Hopefully I see some sales. Bye.